Hello again. So this is our project. As you see, it is fantastic. It is empty. So what we want to do and what we want to focus on is how to make this nav bar. And to make this nav bar, as you see, all the elements that we need is a brand name here and 3 links on the center and 2 links on the right side. To do that, we need, of course, the help of Bootstrap, and we need also something else here. I have to change that to black because the font will not appear here until we customize it in the CSS. So we will not go to CSS right now. What we want to do is to make this black in order to make the Bootstrap template just appear once we put it here. So let's go and put the black background color for the body. So here we are in the project. We will go to the global and the background color. As you see, it is the background color, which I guess was something like smoke white or something like, or white, yeah, white. We will make it a background color of black. By this way, we have a black background, and now everything will appear here once we use it. Before we go on and install our Bootstrap and start making the styling and everything, let me show you this timeline. I don't know if we should say it is a timeline or not, but actually it represents the steps of the progress of our navbar. Let me tell you that this is something that you do not necessarily have to do if you are doing that for yourself. Of course, I'm doing that because this is a tutorial and because I have gone through all these steps. So I wanted to arrange them, I wanted to produce them to you to be able to let you know how exactly we can manage the navbar design. And if you are not doing that, then this is completely fine because I'm not doing that too. Actually, programming is about testing, so you have to test a lot of things, not because you are not professional enough to know the final solution, but because actually programming is all about testing and seeing how different options can really give you better results. So what we are going to do now in our navbar is that we will start with installing the Bootstrap CDN. After that, we will choose a Bootstrap snippet from the snippets of the navbar from the Bootstrap library. And after that, we will go to give the body a temporary background, but we have already done that. Whenever we have done something or whenever we are finished from doing something, we will turn this thing into green. After that, we will center the links on the desktop and on mobile view, but only from the Bootstrap. We will not go to CSS right now. Rename our nav links. After that, we will add the login and register. After that, we will change the spaces between elements. We will create our customized navbar.scss to customize the styling of the navbar, and still there are many steps that we will do in the navbar. So let's go now and install the Bootstrap CDN.